The shoes were sent in this brown, unmarked box. There's actually a top tab that you just pull open to open up the box, and voila. So the box that they sent the shoes in is clearly way too big for the shoebox, and there was no airbags or bubble wrap to sort of cushion anything, so the box was just bopping around while being sent. My receipt was completely crushed. Normally, I really wouldn't care too much about any of this except for the fact that these shoes were close to $1,000, yet they were packed like it was a clearance pair of shoes. The shoebox looks exactly like their bags, it's the same color, and it's a slide to open and close type shoebox. With your shoes, you get 2 dust bags. You get your invoice, which mine got crumpled because of the packing situation. And then they also include an extra set of laces. I've never owned a denim pair of shoes in my life, so when I saw these, I was super intrigued. Really like the look of it, to be honest. I think it's pretty cool, great for summer. I really like how the soles come in a darker color and that it's not a white sole. The interior of the shoe is all leather. The placement of the monogram is just on point. One of the reasons why you're paying such a premium for something like this is that the pattern should match. So you'll see it on each shoe. Everything is identical. Lastly, these guys do not run true to size. I recommend sizing down.